Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15 SFQ. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your laptop makes a loud noise, it's likely due to a failing fan. Over time, dust can accumulate, causing the fan to work harder and eventually fail. If left unchecked, this can lead to overheating and potentially severe damage to your device. So, addressing this issue promptly is essential to avoid costly repairs. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement fan specifically for the HP 15 SFQ. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it. Then, place it on a soft surface, ensuring you have enough space to work. Carefully remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious as some screws may be hidden under stickers or rubber feet, so ensure you check thoroughly. Once the back cover is off, locate the fan. It's typically near the heat sink and should be relatively easy to spot. Disconnect the cable attached to the fan gently using your spudger. Now, unscrew the fan from its mounting points. Remember to keep track of the screws, as you will need them to secure the new fan. Carefully lift the old fan out of its compartment, ensuring you do not disturb any nearby components. Place the new fan into the same position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's snugly in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear it click into place. Finally, screw it back on, making sure all screws are tightened adequately but not overly so, as this could damage the plastic. Power on your laptop to test the new fan. You should notice a significant reduction in noise. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the vents and fan area of your laptop to avoid dust buildup. Additionally, consider using your laptop on a hard surface rather than on soft materials that may block airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.